Alright, so I thought my ears were deceiving me that tape simply uses way too much bass for what the little speakers can handle. That's why I thought it was sounding muddy. That's why I just compared it with this one, but it's actually the cassette. The music that's on it. It's got way too much bass on it. It's digital music. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed me going through all these boxes and getting all this stuff down to whatever. So my next project now is to repair these here, which is repair this one and these. Alright, so that, and this one here, yep. And then the red one up over there, and that one, those two over there, and this one, hopefully I can get it, anyway, maybe I can get a motor out of one of those and put it in here. This one's, it's, very clean, but needs a motor. So, this one's plugged in, so let's see here. So, hit stop, play. Time 52 minutes. It'll be 2 files. Right, well, had too much fun doing all this. Ask me individual questions later when I have a chance. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye. Gotta go. That camera and this camera here and that camera there, and so got a real mess going here. I gotta go clean it up now. Alright, so thanks for watching. Good day. Bye. I gotta go.